Welcome back, it's Chris from the Hagon factory. So this week's video, we're back on with the 7R. We've had a bit of a failure. We've pulled it apart, so you're going to have to wait till the end to see what's happened. And we are going to rebuild this thing, and we'll go through it, make a heap of videos, and I think we should just get on with it.
Empty bottles and wasted time. I got nothing to show for all the wasted time. Except the trouble, worried mind.
Righto, as you can see, I've taken the timing cover off. This is an amazing bit of kit. It's just absolutely beautiful. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop off the oil pumps, and then we might take the rocker boxes off, and we might just have a good look, just check out the timing and do a few other things before we get too excited. Refer back to what notes I do have. I might have to do a bit of a ring around. There's a few blokes here in Australia who are bits of gurus on these things, but it's just an amazing thing. This is something that not many people would have seen before, and it's all new to me, so very exciting.
Images of magazines, take your chance while you're still young. Glory flickers like a candle in the desert sun. Wasted time on an overpass.
Righto, so as you know, we have to split the cases on the 7R. I've had it warming up. Got a couple of hot plates today. I've wedged a bit of wood in where the barrel would go, and it's popped apart. So we're going to lift the top off. We already know what the problem is, but we'll just confirm it now.
I just want a little more time.
Tell me what you found sitting there. The flywheels are all crooked.
That's right. It's broken the big end. It's broken the crank pin. It's broken it off right at the shoulder, and where it's they're always drilled, which is where they usually do break.
Bellies ache, where shallow hunger grows. I just want a little more time.
I've had Velocet ones break like that.
And last night you were going through a magazine, and what did it say in the magazine?
It said that Alpha Bearings in the UK put out a batch of very bad crank pins for 7R AJs and G50 matchlesses.
Yeah. Not saying this is one.
No, but it's the right era.
It is the right era, and we do have another one here.
Yeah,
so we're a bit unsure whether to put that in. We'll ring the previous owner, Tomo, and see if he can remember where he got it from or what it is. And Tomo's pretty good on that stuff. And I've got a lot of Tomo's notes here as well, so I'll have to go through that. And we might already know what it is.
But we're going to give it a full rebuild. Nothing will be left to chance.
No.
It'll all be done properly. We'll replace everything that needs replacing.
The cases look good.
And these flywheels are just a work of art.
Yeah,
they were specially made flywheels that Tomo had made. And they're just beautiful.
And the conrod?
The conrod is magnificent. It's hollowed out there in the bottom to give it like a girder effect, and it's been lightened at the gudgeon pinhole there, which is a modification that you see in a few magazines. Tells you how to do it. So yeah.
Right, we've already got the parts list. We'll give everything a good inspect everything, and get a list together and we'll just order everything we need.
And we'll rebuild him.
Yeah, and we'll put it back together.
We will.
So, yeah, as I'm going through it, we'll video a bit more.
Righto, same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagon's back.